everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a video from Soul Lady. Soul Lady is the one that sponsored this video, you guys. And here is that nice Soul Lady welcoming package box right here with a pretty bow. And that gold foil writing Soul Lady, empowering women to shine. And inside of the packet, you guys, that they sent me, they also sent me some headbands. So yes, ma'am, this is a headband video, headband wig video. I had mine ready here to go, honey. When I saw this, I was like, honey, they done stepped it up for me, baby. So I'm definitely going to be showcasing their headbands too as well. So let's go ahead and go inside this beautiful, lovely box. But look at the inside of that, you guys. As always, Soul Lady, big old letters, you guys. Got that pretty gold foil seal to break on it, honey, so you will know it might have been in your wig, okay? So I'm going to go ahead on and take it out. Just to show you guys what the wig is. And this is the wig. Let me take off the netting. This is the wig right here, you guys. So I'm going to be reading straight off of the card that comes on the wig. Just like I showed you guys the last time, the card on the wig gives you your wig info. So it says this is their Soul Lady Water Wave Headband Wig. Material 100% human hair. Standard salt and pepper. Density is 180%. Length is 14 inches. And of course it has the SKU number on here too as well. 2 wig caps, you guys, right here. HD wig caps. Along with that beautiful care card packet right here that tells you about the customer support, you guys. Tells you about the daily care, the common fact card, and you also get that washing and drying and the after sale service form, you guys. Once again, this is a headband unit. There's that black headband, you guys, right there. Open in the back. It's not attached to the back, but it has an opening there. But the headband loops around all the way around the head. I really like that too. You have a mesh cap. You get your nape of neck comb, your 2 ear combs, and you get a comb right here in the middle of the wig, or that goes into the crown of your head right here. And the headband is actually Velcro. Look at that. It's Velcro to the back. You also get a drawstring right here at the nape of the neck. So I'm going to go ahead and bop this unit on, you guys, and then we'll be right back. Well, I'll be right back. from Soul Lady. And once again, you guys, this is their Water Wave Headband Wig, 100% human hair, standard salt and pepper, 180% density, 14-inch unit. This Water Wave unit, you guys, is lovely. Okay, now that 5-pack of headbands that I showed you guys in the beginning, which I'm about to show you again, which is the headband that's on my head. This one, the animal print one, the blue and white bandana look, the all standard white one with the bow knot in the front of them, and that goldish brownish fall color. Extra wide headbands, okay? You can definitely turn this headband around and wear it the other way and don't have to show the bow knot in the front. So you can do that too, but this unit can also be worn without putting another headband on it. All of these headbands come in one pack, and you can actually purchase them for $4.99. All 5 are in one pack. Once again, $4.99 off Soul Lady's website. Styling this unit, I did it to the left, the right, the center, headband without headband. Trying to do a little modeling for you guys and for Soul Lady too on top of that, all right? Installation was a breeze. This is a headband unit which velcros across the back, but you do get that little slider mechanism drawstring that you can pull the wig tight to secure it. Stick it underneath the wig cap. Take your velcro straps, put them together, and voila, you're done. Toss, finger comb, put it to the left, put it to the right, whichever way you want, or just put it to the back. I showed you all of the styles with this unit. Now, I didn't mention you can do it like a little top bun knot with this too as well, which will be cute. It is a headband unit. I also showed you this unit in bright light or bright white light, natural light, and warm light, which is the yellowish looking light. That's the warm light, okay? But I showed you the unit underneath those two as well. And at the end of the video, you will see the unit with me wearing it outside in the sunlight. So pay attention also to that. Oh, unless I go ahead and put it inside of the video. How about that? So that's it right there, being worn outside in the daylight, in the sunlight, so you guys can get a really good look at that too. This unit does come in a 12-inch, which will be $129.90, 14-inch, which is on my head, which is $149.90, and it comes in a 16-inch, which is $169.90 in the standard salt and pepper, that is. Now, you can get the unit customized in the color that you would like to have for your gray or whatever gray you're going for $40 more right now. That's right now. Now, that price can change, but you can customize the color gray that you would like to have on your headband unit when you order it. Now, to find out more about Soul Lady's website and to go ahead on and look at what they offer for us this headband unit, you can go on their website. Once again, Soul Lady Wigs, you guys. Scroll to your heart is content, so that you may see what you need to see concerning the units that you get from Soul Lady. Also concerning those hues of grace that you can order from Soul Lady too as well. I know I keep saying Soul Lady, but I'm going to promote that name as much as I can because that's who's sponsoring this video. That's going to wrap us up for now, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this review from Soul Lady Wigs. Shout out to you, Soul Lady, for sending this beautiful water wave unit over 14 inches. Don't forget to hit, click, and go ahead and get into that link to order this unit and to use that code to get a percentage off of this unit to help you out with saving some coins, honey. I do have another unit that they want me to showcase for you guys in the next video after this one. So don't forget to watch that video too as well. And compare apples to oranges, both units, you guys. But I will be putting this unit or this video inside of that video so you can see the difference between the two units. So for all those who are out there watching, you guys, till next time.